In the project structure, we saw the models could contain a subfolder, which would be the data transfer object folder. Why though? Let's imagine that the model has a model called the user, where we require to capture the user details, which would typically be the username and the password. But the password that is stored in the database should be in form of a byte array. The reason simply being the password is stored in the encrypted format, wherein we get it from the user. It might not be in the encrypted format. It could be in the form of a string, that is, a plain text could be, just a possibility. So in case you want to have two different user classes, where one is used for transfer between the web API and the client, that is a front end, and the other would be used for the database purpose. Now, in situations like that, you might want to create a data transfer object, which would help you to store the same object properly for the database, and the data transfer object could be used for transfer purposes. You can see here the password is a byte array, but then under the DTO, I could be creating another user object or the user class. I will put the password as string. The same set of properties just could be string. This is just one of the example where a DTO, the data transfer object, could be used. But the other examples could be where you might want to collate data from two different objects into one, or you might want to simplify your object only for transfer purposes. So these are the places where the data transfer object is very important.